How to lock or unlock your Facebook Lite profile. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to lock or unlock your Facebook Lite profile, what that basically means is locking your profile enables it to be not to be seen to anyone. So if other people try seeing your Facebook account, they cannot see your account because it's locked. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is first of all launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a three-bar option. Click on it, then scroll a bit down and go to Settings. After you do that, scroll a bit down and under Audience and Visibility, you can see the first option which says Profile Locking. Open it. Then on the bottom, you can see the option Lock Your Profile. Click on it and then click on OK. Now, after this, you have successfully locked your Facebook profile. Now, if you want to unlock it, you just have to repeat the same process again and go to the profile locking. After that, over here, you can see the option which says unlock. If you click on this and then go to unlock your profile and then click on OK, your profile will successfully be unlocked after you refresh it once. So this is how you can lock or unlock your Facebook Lite profile. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was very helpful and informational for you guys, and see you at the next video.